Okay, welcome to Mount San Francisco. On top, the very top deck of Fort Point. Here underneath the South Tower of the Golden Gate Bridge. Alcatraz there in the distance. Angel Island. Right here at the Golden Gate Bridge. That's a pretty cool view. Pan around there. Fort Baker's on the other side. That's the Marine Headland side. Sausalito as well over there. It's Tiburon and Belvedere, the homes you see. Another pan around towards Alcatraz and University of California, Berkeley. On the other side of Alcatraz, you can just barely make out the university over there. Of course, the Bay Bridge, Yerboyne Island, Treasure Island there in the distance. Got something happening on the Bay Bridge because there's smoke coming off the deck, as you can kind of see there. It's like right there. It's interesting. I just noticed that about 2 minutes ago. But yep, this is the very northwest part of the Presidio here in San Francisco, as San Francisco makes way towards the Pacific Ocean, directly underneath the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. Very, very cool. This is what the inside of the fort looks like. They call that the parade grounds inside on the ground floor. Built in 1861. That's about 82 years before the Golden Gate Bridge was built. Luckily, it's a calm day. Just maybe a 5-mile-an-hour wind, 5 or 7-mile-an-hour wind right here on the Pacific Ocean. As we're walking directly underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. Pretty cool sights from up here. See the Marin Headlands, very clear today. See the platform way out there? That's a former helipad, Coast Guard helipad. And pan around, you can see Land's End, Lincoln Park over there, and famous Enclave, Seacliff neighborhood. Pretty cool views today. Very clear day here in near the end of February 2026. As we can see, a couple sea lions hanging out down there in the surf. Might be hard to make out in the video, but I can see two of them at least bobbing up and down. Nice red and white fleet tourist boat coming out, doing a lap underneath the Golden Gate Bridge there. See the Golden Gate Bridge lookout up there on the top of the hill. You can hear the 6 lanes of traffic going north and south on the bridge. Yeah, very, very nice views today. Last Sunday of February 2026. All right, thanks for watching About San Francisco. Like, comment, and subscribe. Help me out. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.